So, welcome to knockoutcrypto.com. Thank you for following our channel. Subscribe to the channel right now in the bottom right hand corner. So go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like the video as well. Thank you for following us at Knockout Crypto on YouTube, Knockout Crypto on Twitter, Knockout Crypto on Instagram. So I want to give you guys some of the biggest news of the day. To me, everyone else was focused on Bitcoin's price. I thought that the biggest news of the day was Stellar. Stellar is going to become the first DLT to obtain Sharia certification for payments and asset tokenization. And Stellar also got good news that IBM backs a dollar peg stablecoin crypto token on the Stellar network. And then Stellar also got more good news that Coinbase is exploring adding Stellar to Coinbase. I can't tell you guys enough. The Stellar network and what they're doing is very impressive. So let's read directly from the Stellar website. What is this Sharia compliance certification? Today we advance our mission of financial access and inclusion by obtaining a Sharia compliance certification for the Stellar technology and network. The Sharia Review Board, a leading international Sharia advisory agency licensed by the Central Bank of Bahrain, has reviewed the properties and applications of Stellar and has guidance and guidelines that enable Sharia compliant applications of the Stellar technology in Islamic financial institutions. Stellar is the first distributed ledger protocol to receive Sharia compliance certification in the money transfer and asset tokenization space. Additionally, the Sharia compliance certification extends to applications and usages of Lumens, XLM. What does this certification mean for the Stellar ecosystem? In partnership with the SRB, this certification will help grow the Stellar ecosystem in regions where financial services require compliance with Islamic financing principles. For example, Islamic financial institutions in the Gulf Cooperation Council, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and parts of the Southeast of Asia, Indonesia, and Malaysia will now be able to integrate Stellar technology in their Sharia-compliant product and service offerings. This is a big advancement for the Stellar network, given that these regions are the endpoints of popular foreign worker remittance corridors. In the next few months, members of the Stellar Development Foundation will meet with global financial institutions and engage them on how to best utilize Stellar in the Sharia-compliant financial services and products. We're excited to add even greater diversity and inclusion into the Stellar ecosystem. And you can view the certificate here. Why is this big? Well, one, they're the first DLT or distributed ledger technology to do this. So this is huge, and so if there's anyone that's going to be doing remittances or financial transactions in the Gulf states and in Southeast Asia, it's going to be Stellar, because especially for Muslims, they only use, or Islamics, they only use stuff that has been certified by the Sharia. So having this certification allows them to be the go-to point for workers. Let's say there's oil workers in the Gulf of Mexico and they want to send money back home. They could use Stellar because it's already been certified by the Sharia. So very big deal for Stellar. Very impressive for them to get the certification for financial purposes. As you can see here, they show you the official certificate here that they have. So it's a big deal, and I think a lot of people are underestimating this deal for Stellar and how far ahead they put them ahead of the other DLTs or distributed ledger technology. The second thing that caught my eye about Stellar was IBM backs a dollar peg stablecoin crypto token on the Stellar network. This is one of the big problems with crypto. We don't have stable coins that are pegged on a network that's really fast or backed by a big company. So now you have IBM, probably one of the biggest companies, now backing the stronghold of financial San Francisco-based financial institution that's been developing an asset agnostic payment and trade ecosystem. They've launched this asset-backed token on the Stellar network, the first venture-supported USD anchor for the network. So now when you go into the Stellar network, you can buy this token. Instead of buying Bitcoin or Ether, you can buy this stronghold token, this stablecoin, and go directly to Stellar. So instead of having to get a Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, now you can just go from USD to Stellar right on the Stellar protocol. Stellar protocol is also one of the fastest protocols out there. And now they have this ecosystem where they got the protocol, they got other products coming out. And now IBM, which has a partnership with Stellar, which has put Stellar ahead of a lot of people too as well. A lot of people don't know that, but IBM is partnership with Stellar. So that gives Stellar another leg up on other companies as well. They have very good partnerships. So I would just say that I wouldn't sleep on Stellar with the partnerships that they have and the technology that they have and the people that they have working on the project. It is a great project. They are ahead, in my opinion, of a lot of projects with the type of companies that partner with them. IBM Blockchain, Stripe, Deloitte. They have a lot of impressive partnerships. So when you have the good news that now there's going to be a stable coin on Stellar, there's going to be Sharia certification on Stellar. And then the third thing that caught my eye about Stellar was, hey, you have the good news that Stellar is one of the coins that Coinbase is thinking about adding to Coinbase. They're saying, hey, let's add the Stellar network to our to the Coinbase, which is probably Coinbase is the first place where most investors go to buy Bitcoin in the United States. So now you're gonna have Stellar there too. And like they said, if you look at what Coinbase said, Stellar allows for the creation of anchors that can issue assets, use bridge service to interface with existing banks, and follow Stellar compliance protocol. Initially funded by Stripe, Stellar board members include Coastal Ventures partner Keith Boy, Stripe co-founder Patrick Collison, WordPress founder Matt Mullenweg, Y Combination president Sam Altman, MIT DCI head Joy Ito, AngelList founder Naval Ravant. I mean, Stellar has a very impressive team, and they're doing very impressive things. I just think you can't go wrong with Stellar right now, and I think it's probably, in my opinion, probably one of the best investments in crypto right now. You just can't go wrong with them and their team, the partnerships. I don't think anyone else has as many partnerships and are as deep as they are in what they're doing right now. So they're doing some very impressive things. They're doing some very some big things, and you should keep an eye on Stellar. So those are the three things that caught my eye this yesterday about Stellar. The big news about the IBM dollar pay coin on the Stellar network, Stellar becoming Sharia certified, and Coinbase offering, possibly looking to add Stellar to their platform. So let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about Stellar and how strong of a project it is. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, knockoutcrypto.com. Also, go to knockoutcrypto.com to get 15 more videos, in-depth videos every month on different coins and projects. That is where you'll get our best videos and our best information at knockoutcrypto.com. Thank you for your support. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.